60-year-old gentleman presented with a massive L-shaped retracted cuff tear. On arthroscopy, it's an L-shaped cuff tear which can be brought to tuberosity but seems to be a bit tight. So that's how cuff can be brought to the tuberosity. So we wanted to augment it within biceps SCR. Biceps is mobilized from its groove. Ankles placed. Bites taken into the biceps and into the cuff in a marginal convergence and simple configuration. Sutures tied over the biceps to stick it onto the tuberosity. Marginal convergence sutures tied to reduce the L-shaped tear. Simple configuration sutures tied. And that's the final repair. Cuff well approximated to the tuberosity and augmented with a biceps SCR.